moment I pulled in down here, you pulled on your light, so I just stopped right here. I don't know whose house this is.
Yeah, no you don't, because it's abandoned.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's for sale. You pulled into a house with a for sale sign right in the front yard.
I thought they had sold it like 2 months ago.
I don't know, but I know you didn't live here.
Yeah. Nah, I had pulled in because you had flicked your signs on. I don't live down there, but my friend does live down there, and I saw you following me, and I was figuring you was gonna get me to the house. But that caught me a little early.
Where are you coming from?
Right down, it's, you know, the road with the, UPS trucks.
Okay.
I was coming off there. I don't know if they have a road, because whenever I go into Google, they don't have a road.
Gotcha.
So I was just coming off of there. I just came off of work. I just went, see my friend. He had a little bit of money he owed me, so I just went and seen him.
This nigga's nervous, bro. Look at them legs.
They don't have a road.
Gotcha.
Look.
So I was just coming off of there. I just came off of work. I just went see my
nervous,
friend.
nervous.
He had a little bit of money he owed me, so I just went and seen him, and then I'm going home now. I live right off of 9th.
Right off of 9th?
Yeah.
So you're heading home?
Yeah. Once you had pulled behind me though, I ain't gonna lie, I got a little scared. That's why I pulled down here.
Why'd you get scared?
I just fear police.
Yeah, you shaking a lot. Why are you shaking so much?
I fear police, man.
Why you fear police?
It's just last time my brother had got caught behind police, they had taken him to jail with nothing.
Interesting.
Yeah, but he was also a minority.
Right. So you just got off work and you were headed home?
Nah, I got off work. What time is it?
What time do you think it is?
12:30, 12:15.
10:12. I was about to say my clock says 11:12. I had
What time did you get off work?
I had got off work at around 9:30, and I went to my friend's house just because he had a little bit of money he owed me. I let him borrow a little bit of money so he can go get some groceries.
Right.
And he told me he had the money tonight, so I just went up, pulled by him. Me and him talked for a little bit, and then I left home. So if it says 11:12,
Then I left home.
It's gonna be about 12:10 now.
You said 12:10?
Or 10:12 now.
10:12?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got off work 9:30, went to your friend's house.
Yeah, I want no. I didn't get off until like 9:45, 10 o'clock.
You just said
they had me
9:30.
late today.
Gotcha.
Because they had me on some.
You got a license on you while we're talking?
I do. Yeah.
You got.
He trying to find a lie, bro. Can't buy a lie right now. Whatever you hiding, bro, make sure you hit it well. Because he about to search that motherfucker like a scavenger hunt. Bro got his girl right there in the front. Y'all don't do that. That's the problem with us fellas, man. At least he love his girl, bro. Yo, got his girl right there on the dash.
Registration insurance?
I do. My insurance is supposed to be updated next month, so I don't know how my dad did that yet.
Got you.
But
car's in his name?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in his name, but it's also in his insurance. But beginning of April 20th, I think it's supposed to be in my name.
Okay.
So here, I can give you the insurance.
You got anything in the vehicle you shouldn't have in the vehicle?
Huh?
Is there anything in the vehicle that you should not have in the vehicle?
No, sir.
No guns?
No, sir.
No.
I did have a sword that I had.
Sword.
I did have a sword that I bought off my friend.
Yeah.
But again, I had dropped it off at my friend's home, at my friend's house, just in case. You know what I'm saying? I told him that I would come get it on any circumstances that I need to take it home. But as of right now, this needs to stay at your house.
Okay.
I told him that. I was like, there's no point in me taking it home. There's no, you know what I'm saying? Just in case me gets caught up, I don't need it.
Me gets
so
caught up.
I think this restaurant. And then.
Bro, I be wondering, bro, when you get, and I know, it's nerves. Nerves play a role in it too, but bro, when you get caught up, bro, everybody be stumbling up. You'll mess around and say, yeah. And that's a good question, bro. Like, if I was a defense attorney, I'm like, man, listen, my client was nervous. That's why he said he was at his friend's house, but he was coming from home. He wasn't lying to you. He was just nervous at the time. That's how you supposed to spend that.
This is. Yeah, this is the insurance.
You got the registration?
I was about to say, if you ain't got it, I got it.
I got you.
Yeah. Listen, my phone's dead, so I can't really see. Here it is.
That's your registration?
Wait, where the fuck? I know that's my, cause I had gotten a ticket not a while back. I think November or December. I had got a ticket for going unlawful speeds. Is this it? No, that's my registration. That's my license, isn't it?
That's your
not
license?
My license. Not my license. My insurance.
That's your insurance?
Is this my insurance?
It's a buyer's guide, bro.
I really don't know, man. I ain't gonna lie. I had got my first car. This is my first car. November.
All right, bud. So hear me out real quick, okay?
Right.
The reason why I was, so I didn't get behind you to follow you, right? The reason why I got behind, that's your buyer's guide, all right? That's your warranty stuff.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is.
Yeah, I don't need that. You can have that.
Here, let me see it.
Your registration's right there next to your hand where you just put it on the seat. Nope, other one. That's your registration.
Thank you. I'm sorry, man.
Let me see that.
What?
All right. So the reason why I was pulling you over is because you were swerving all over the damn road. You were going into the oncoming lanes of traffic. Any reason for that?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah.
I've been paying attention to my phone, trying to get.
Your phone is dead.
Nah, my phone before you had pulled me over was on like 2%. You know, it's iPhones. They
Stop, bro.
So, I had my insurance, not my insurance, my address pulled up, and I guess I was.
You had your address pulled up?
I did.
You don't know where you live?
I do. It's just where I came from. It's just the way that I was pulling out.
Yeah.
I didn't know exactly which way to go.
All right, so here's the deal, right? So the reason why I was pulling you over is because you were swerving in your lanes, right?
Right.
And then when you made this turn here onto, what is it? Shade.
Maribel?
No, it's Shade.
Shade, okay.
Yeah. So you made your left-hand turn onto Shade. You almost hit the curb on your right-hand side. You made too wide of a turn, almost hit the curb.
Right.
And it's kind of weird you pull into a house that's abandoned. It ain't yours. See, that's a little weird?
Yeah, no,
All right,
for
so
sure.
my worry is that you're safe to drive, okay?
Yeah.
Have you been drinking anything tonight?
No, sir. I
No
did
drinking.
smoke. I did smoke.
Okay, what'd you smoke?
Drink. Just a little bit of marijuana.
A little bit of
I
marijuana?
had,
About what time?
9:45, 9:50. Right.
You was at work, bro. What do you mean? This kid, man. God damn, bro. I'm telling you, tell one lie, you gotta tell another lie to cover that up, then another lie to cover that up, then another lie to cover that up. He went from being at work at 9:30 to 10 o'clock, but I got off at 10:15, but I was smoking at 9:45 coming from my friend's house, but I was at home.
Before I got off of work, I had a little bit of marijuana.
You smoke at work?
No, not at work, but right after I got off, I'm not gonna lie to you. I pulled right down the road, got away from the building, and started smoking.
All right.
So it wasn't.
Is there any weed in the vehicle?
No, sir.
You smoked it all already?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any methamphetamine?
No, sir.
Any cocaine?
No, sir.
Heroin?
No, sir.
Fentanyl?
No, sir.
Ecstasy?
No, sir.
Nothing.
No, sir.
Nothing in the vehicle.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any problem?
Yeah, I was about to say, unless you want deodorant.
No, I don't want deodorant. Do you mind if I search your vehicle?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
I can? All right. Well, first thing I'm going to have you do, right, is I'm going to have you step out for me. Do not move. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Do not move.
Well,
Do
I have
not
a question
stop.
for you.
No, stop. Do not move.
I have a question for you
Stop.
before I let you go.
Come here. Step out.
Go ahead. This is
Stop.
technically.
Turn around. Right now, you're just being detained, okay? You're not under arrest.
Yeah, this is technically
Stop.
my
Turn around. When I ask you if there's a gun in the
Okay.
vehicle and you tell me no and you got one right between your damn legs, I got a problem with that. You understand me?
My bad, you're right.
When tell us that part.
Step back.
Yes, sir.
You got anything on you?
I do.
What do you got?
I have a firearm.
You got one on you?
I do.
Where is it?
It's under the seat.
Do you have anything on you, on your person?
No,
right now?
no. Other than maybe a vape. You asked me if there was a firearm on me. If there was a firearm in the car, that's a good.
I said, is there anything in the car that's going to get you in trouble? Any guns? And you said no. I said, knives? You said no. I have a sword.
You said if there's anything on me. I won't lie to y'all. There's a firearm in the car. He has it above his,
You're only in handcuffs because you lied to me about the gun.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll worry about that later. Right now you're detained, you're not under arrest, okay? What I'd like to do is take you out of handcuffs and do some field sobriety exercises. I want to make sure you're safe to drive, okay? Based on your driving pattern and things like that.
Yeah.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Yes, sir.
Like I said, you're not under arrest right now. You're just detained because of the gun. That's why I kind of got tense there for a minute, okay? But if I take you in handcuffs, are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises?
I do. The only problem I will have is the like the whole field sobriety test is because I have terrible power.
Terrible power?
Yeah, like terrible balance, not power, balance.
Okay, hey,
you can go over my doctor records and stuff like that. I have terrible power.
Okay, we'll talk about all that. Like I said, you're not under arrest. I'm gonna take those handcuffs off you, and then we'll do some field sobriety exercises and make sure you're safe to drive, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you speak to a lawyer. Do you understand? All right. With that in mind, do you want to talk to me? So what I'm going to ask you about is the gun, right? So the gun's stolen.
Right.
All right.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie to you.
See how he did that real smooth? Listen, bro, you can talk to me if you want to. If not, you don't have to. Do you want to talk to me? Alright, so what I was trying to tell you about is this gun, bro. Where does gun come from? Take a deep breath, young man. You going. It ain't no getting out of this, bro. You going, but just, I need my legal team. I'm not an attorney. I'm not a part of the judicial system. Please don't take this video as legal advice. It's just my opinion.
There's no point in lying. Like, y'all gonna figure it out.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
I was about to say, y'all gonna figure it out.
We gonna figure it out, right? So
y'all gonna figure it out.
Keep your feet inside.
My bad.
Keep your feet inside.
My
So
bad.
who'd you get the gun from?
I can't lie to you. I don't know.
Where'd you get it?
There was one night I had just went out. I was going at least 150, 200 yards from the radius.
From where?
From what's that shit called? 4805. It was.
When was this?
And again, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying it was perfectly legal. I'm not saying it was perfectly right. But I'm just looking out for myself, man. I'm scared.
I got you.
You're
So
not.
you took the firearm out of the vehicle.
I have.
Okay, so no one gave it to you?
No.
No one sold it to you?
No.
Okay.
I will tell y'all exactly.
Did you
I'm
know?
not gonna
Did
lie
you
to
know it was stolen?
I won't say.
Oh my goodness, man. Hopefully it ain't no bodies on there. He don't get it. And it's crazy because it'll really make you think like, all right, he gonna look out for me. Maybe if I just tell him the truth, he gonna shave some time. This is not the judge, bro. This is not the judge. This is a field. He's working. He's in the field right now. His job is to abstract as much information from you as possible for them to hand over to the DA and all of that other good stuff. So then they can whip up your sentence, whatever you gonna get, bro. He thinking that he helping himself, but he not. He really not. The best thing he could have done, again, in my opinion, is just shut up. Oh, I found the gun. When I found the gun, whatever. All right, so what if they find, when they run the ballistics and oh, well, this matches a shell casing from a robbery 2 weeks ago, and this matches such and such from such and such. You can't, well, I have it 2 weeks ago. I only found it 4 weeks ago. They don't know that. They don't know that, bro.
Say I was knowing it was stolen just for the sole fact that so much has happened in Pensacola. I can't promise that a firearm would come back stolen or come back dirty or come back with a murder on it or come back with a robbery on it. So
Well, you said it
So
probably
you know this.
Probably has a crime on it. What crime would it have on it?
No, I mean, I wouldn't say it has a crime. The only crime it would have on it is the robbery.
What robbery?
Me taking it.
Oh, you're saying the...
Yeah, that's probably the only crime on it, if that's even reported.
Right.
But then again, like...
Well, it's reported stolen from somewhere. I don't know if it's reported stolen from when you took it out of the car or if it's reported stolen from before that, but it's stolen.
I was about to say, I mean, and I know in gun law possessions, if it's in your possession, it's in your possession.
I mean, yeah.
It don't matter about none of that other shit.
So is that why you were so nervous?
A little bit.
Is that why you were shaking so damn much?
Yeah. I was scared, man. I had a gun on me. I had a gun under my seat.
I know,
was scared.
and I asked you, and you told me no, you didn't have one.
I didn't, just for the sole fact that if you were to have, like, if you didn't search the car, you would, in your right mind, at least think, like, hey, he didn't have a gun on him. And I wasn't going to pull the gun. Man, look, people that pull the gun on police, you're stupid as hell. Because you pull the gun, like, sure, you may get one police officer, but all them other ones are coming after you.
Yeah.
So I would never pull it on the police. I was just scared. I just didn't want to get caught. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't under any circumstance of, hey, I'm trying to hide from police.
But also, you know you're not 21. You can't even have a gun.
I do. Unless it's gifted to me. But then again, that gun wasn't
Well,
gifted
even if
to
it was
me.
gifted to you, you can't conceal carry a pistol if you're under 21.
Oh, shit.
You gotta be 21 to conceal carry a pistol.
So if I get a pistol concealed carry to me, I can't even have it in my like gun in here and mag in here?
No, you're not 21.
He was charged with larceny, carrying a concealed weapon, and DUI.
Bro, done knew the rules. He done knew the law. Bro, man. What was his name? Caleb? Bro, sometimes you can be too honest for your own damn good. And I know that sounds crazy because, you know, we want to be honest about the situations. But, bro, just keep it shut, bro. And it's like it works against every part of human nature that you can think about. Because when you get nervous, of course you want to try and start talking. And then you looking at, bro, he got the computer. You don't know what he typing over there. If he running your background or nothing, bro, you getting nervous. So you talk and try and talk. Well, maybe if I tell him that it was under the seat, but it was only under the seat because when I found it, it was already under the seat. Oh, no. Maybe if I move it back a little bit here, say it wasn't really under the seat, it was under the back seat and it wasn't mine. Or maybe if I tell mine racing, bro, mine gone, bro. He didn't give his legal team anything. I be trying to tell you, gotta give him something to work with. Give them something to work with. Okay, I found you find the gun. The gun is inside of what? It was his car, but it was registered to his father. All right, cool. Listen, man, I'm a teenager. I was driving around. I just got off work, man. I had a cut. Well, nah, then you'll be telling on your friends, bro. Shh. Lisa ain't tell. I don't know. I just don't find yourself in that situation. Don't put yourself in that situation. And he knew. It was like he knew, bro. He knew possession was 9/10 of the law. He knew that the gun was stolen. He knew that it was. I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's some things just it's believable, but it's unbelievable, bro. Like to not. I don't even want to say take precaution because it's 2024 and you really can't do crimes anymore. But like, yeah, I don't know. Y'all let me know. I know, but y'all let me know what y'all think about the video. GTG, the family as always is love, man. And we out.